That's what we're taking out. Why? Because we want to. See that? That's what we're taking out. Oh, buddy. I'm going to turn this back off. And let's get to the end result of taking everything off, including this guy. Something looks missing. And you're right. It's this puppy. This whole dash bezel. Now be careful. Look how thin this is. There is a clip behind every little ounce of it. Be very careful. Why? It is very flimsy. Not here, but here. Look at that. Now we're only assuming Chrysler used good plastic so you can actually not break this thing. And I did not, because I used a guy like this. Now, get the radio out first. I did all the necessities, all the necessary work, and pulled it out, and pulled it out. And this was also just clip, 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 clip. That has to come out first. And then you've got these puppies right here. Look at this thing. You see? You gotta be very careful. Listen, at least Chrysler decided to use plastic, not Chevy using metal. That's good. So then you pull all this out and disassemble it from these puppies right here. These also get popped into here. Okay? Now, behind this is a screw. See that puppy right there? Screw right there. And a screw right there, which you don't have to replace because this whole dash actually comes out. I don't think I'm going to take this puppy out. I'm not going to. Especially not for this video anyway. But it will just hang right here. And you're good because you have a orange strap. So no worry about malaria. And this puppy, you can pull out a bit. And it will relieve the pressure from that screw right there. So let's get these 4 screws out and see what that's all about. Now, I'm completely surprised. Why this doesn't have a security tab is beyond me. Because everything that I came across, there you go, there's the part number. It's upside down, but you can figure it out. So it's one clip, and here's a stupid little speaker everyone hates. Just put a piece of tape over it, I guess. So that's where the speedometer comes into play, and we're gonna put it right back into place as if we never even touched it. You see, you have to align these puppies back up. You got 2 prongs right there, you see? You have to go down and around. There you go, like that. And then put the 4 screws back in, and I'm surprised there's no slot. There's no security tab on this thing. So put the 4 screws back. We're gonna pop this whole thing back into place. Look, you see? Just pop it back into place. So it's all just pop, 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 pop. There you go. Just like that. This is this is half-ass. You do it the right way. I'm just showing you how to actually do it. So there you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.